In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF from InCopy, proofs. Let's get started by launching Adobe InCopy. Once it's open, go ahead and open the document or assignment you want to share. InCopy is often used alongside InDesign, so you might be working with a linked story from a layout or a standalone text file. Either way works fine for this export. Next, switch to the Type tool and click directly inside the text you want to export. This step tells InCopy exactly which story to use for the PDF. If your file contains multiple stories or frames, make sure your cursor is placed in the correct one to avoid exporting the wrong content. Now head to the File menu and choose Export. Export is what you want here. Save won't produce a proof-ready PDF. In the dialog that appears, choose where you'd like to store the file. From the Save as Type menu on Windows or the Format menu on macOS, select Adobe PDF. Give your file a clear name so reviewers know what they're looking at, something like Project Proof V01 or a naming convention your team already uses, and then click Save to open the PDF export dialog. In the PDF export dialog, look for the View menu. You have two key choices. Pick Layout to export the story as it appears in the InDesign document. This includes design elements like columns, fonts, and images, making it ideal when you want reviewers to see the text within its actual layout. Or choose Galleon Story to export a clean, text-focused view, just like you see in InCopy. This is great for proofreading because it maximizes readability and keeps attention on the words. If your reviewer needs to see your in-context comments, enable Notes in the Include section. Those will appear as sticky note comments in Acrobat, which makes it easy for a proofreader to spot and reply to your annotations. If you're sharing edits and you want all insertions and deletions to be visible, you can include track changes. Just remember this is only available with the Galleon Story view. Check Include Tracked Changes, and the PDF will display strike-throughs and underlines that mirror what you see in InCopy. Once you've chosen the view and any includes you need, proceed to create the PDF. InCopy will generate your proof, ready to send to teammates or clients. For the best review experience, remind recipients to open the file in a full-featured PDF viewer so notes and markups display correctly. That's it. Your text is now exported and proof-ready from InCopy.